All right, here we are, hole 6, guys, or vision. Now, from the last attempt that I did on this, it was kind of a more aggressive approach, trying to land on the second fairway. It is something you can do. You know, it's going to be a tough thing to do, though. So with this being as tough as it is, you know, what I may try to do is just try to lay up here. Another thing that you could do is you could go a little bit more aggressive. So you can see this account, you know, season 10, jewel ball type ball, especially with these Apocalypse guys. We can try to get it down to this other fairway here. So if I was to go over here and try to curl this about half or so, somewhere right in here. So this would be, you know, like a season 10 type ball. And right into the fairway, and you get yourself to a nice distance to potentially give yourself a hole out. The advantage of the season 10, you'll still have some side spin. You can put a little bit of side action on that. I technically don't need to. I can kind of tweak my landing zone, but it is a little bit easier if you can just kind of tweak the spin as opposed to having to tweak your land zone. So here you can see opponent just going to be laying up here. You know, anything that you can do to kind of get that wind down will help. So let's take a look here. You'll see B52. We are in B52 range. Now you can see that this fairway is all over the place, so very tough to get a hole out here. It's very, very challenging to get this one to... What I'll typically do is very little on the spin. With a wind like this, I'm thinking maybe landing up in here and maybe close to, since I'm kind of towards mid-club a little bit, 1 per ring. Maybe just a little bit more. So I'm thinking 7.5 rings here. And other than that, ball guide offset. So you can see that I'm kind of getting that ball guide going through the hole and to the left. Now I did great ball it to the left, so it ended up costing me a little bit. But if you can master that ball guide offset and how that wind is going to change it, you know, a good chance for you to be able to get that one. So good luck there, guys. You can see this layup shot. Opponent still looks like he may go full overpower with some top spin. Tough shot to pull off. You know, I mentioned this in the last guide. You know, if I was going to lay up with kingmakers, it may just go for this this with some top spin, a little bit of curl. It's going to be hard to make a hard albatross. Much harder than the shot that I just pulled off there. So do keep that in mind, as you'll be able to kind of get yourself in a better position if you can, and which could potentially give you a higher potential to get the albatross. But other than that, you'll see a lot of guys getting eagle here, not many mistakes. So you don't want to be one of the few that do make mistakes. So, you know, play within your means. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next one.